Hi guys! Mabuhay! For today's video, meron naman tayong panibagong edisyon ng unboxing! Samahan ninyo ko! Tara! Ayun guys, so meron nga tayong unboxing today. Ayan, dahil panahon na naman ng tag-init. Ayan, summer season na naman. Kaya naman, meron tayong panibagong edisyon ng unboxing ngayong April. Ayan, so ito yung in-order natin sa TikTok shop. Ayan, ang isang product na pampa-fresh para naman ngayong summer. Ayan, alam natin na sobrang nakakahagard ang alam nyo na, yung init ng araw. Ayan, kaya importante na fresh pa rin tayo kahit na summer. Ayan. So, yung in-order ko sa TikTok, ayan, ito yung iniinom ko ngayon. Ayan, naging paborito ko siya dahil sobrang sarap niya, guys. Ayan, so ito yung... Ayan, sandali, buksan muna natin. Ayan, ito yung... Ayan. Ayan, meron pala siyang freebie na, ayan, so isang tumbler, ayan. Kaya din umu-order ako ng item na to kasi meron siyang freebie, ayan, yung freebie niya, ayan. Okay, ayan, so yung parang timplahan din niya ng ating in-order na, ayan, pampa-fresh, ayan, ayan, ang Freshies, ayan, by Juju. Ayan, kung familiar kayo sa yung collagen and glutathione by Juju, ayan, yung hinahalo lang sa water. So, sila rin yung gumawa nito. Ayan, yung avocado milk, Freshies. Ayan, so naging paborito ko siya dahil sobrang sarap niya at talagang lasang-lasa yung avocado and yung milk. And nakadalawa na akong ganitong order. So pangatlo ko na to. And yung una kong order, yung freebie niya, papakita ko lang sa inyo. Ito guys, yung freebie niya. So dahil nga nakadalawa na akong order, so yung yung napili kong free bottle niya is ganito, ayan, my bottle. Tapos yung nagustuhan ko talaga is ito, kaya ako naenggan yung bumili. Kasi ayan, 'di ba, yung shape ng nung Yakult, ayan, 'di ba, ang cute, ayan, so avocado milk. So pangatlo ko na siyang box and gusto ko siya, gusto ko yung lasa niya, talagang nakaka-fresh and iniinom ko siya every night. So, yung kanyang content is, ayan, 80,000 milligrams ng hydrolyzed collagen, Japan glutathione, L-carnitine, and coenzymes Q10. Ayan, so, yung 80,000 milligram niya is 10 sachet siya. So, ibig sabihin, meron siyang 8,000 milligram per sachet. Ayan, so sobrang sarap niya and ang nakakatuwa pa dito, yung ginamit niya ditong sweetener is stevia and alam naman natin na yung stevia is 'di ba parang matamis yung panlasa niya pero hindi siya nakakataba. Kaya sa mga nagda-diet diyan, ayan, 'di ba? Meron siyang L-carnitine, ayan, so iniinom ko siya every night, kaya pag gising ko sa umaga, ayan, fresh na fresh yung aking pakiramdam. And every morning, di ba, pag gising natin sa umaga, importante na umiinom tayo ng tubig, ayan. And ang ginagawa ko, so pagkainom ko ng water, kasunod na kagad itong avocado, ayan, yung Freshies avocado milk. Kasi talagang grabe sa pakiramdam. Nakaka-fresh talaga. Ang sarap-sarap niya, guys. So, magkano to? It's only 350 pesos. Tapos may free na kayo na bottle. So, yung una kong order kasi, ganito yung free niya. Tapos yung second order ko, so, ito yung pinili ko naman. And ngayong third order ko, ito na yung pinili kong bottle. Ayan. And yung iba kasi parang nagsisale sila sa parang nagle-less sila ng 50 pesos. So abangan nyo yung kanilang mga freebies. Ayan, yung kanilang mga discounts sa TikTok. And yung kanilang shop o yung shop na binibilan ko ng Freshies avocado milk, ayan, by Juju. Ayan, ito po yung kanilang link, or ito na lang. Ayan po, yung kanilang TikTok account, and sobrang, for sure, masasarapan kayo, magiging fresh pa kayo. Ayan, so ano pang hinihintay nyo? Bili na! Idagdag ko lang pala sa content niya, meron din siyang with oral sunscreen technology. Ayan, kaya naman, safe na safe kayo. Ayan, yung skin ninyo, ayan, talagang magiging fresh dahil meron siyang oral sunscreen. Ayan, so, bili na!
feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid.